Hello everyone, this is Aftab Alam here. So I would like to speak on which I have chosen the topic. The topic name is the value of time, and we all know that what is the exactly meaning of the value of time, because time is really important for our time is really most important factors for for progress of human being, because time is running continuously. If the time was gone is gone, it never comes back in your life, and we should think about the time. We should not waste our time here and there. I know that time is really precious, we all know that. And one more thing is that we can buy a lot of things with your money, everything whatever you want. But if I talk about can buy time, it is not possible. You cannot buy your time with your money. It is not possible, because time once gone is gone, it never come back. So we all know that. And time can be divided into present, past and future. Past is past, it has already gone, and we should learn from our past experience which already gone. We should learn that. And present is really important for all. Present time is really important for us, because we everything is doing in present time, and it will decide to your future. If you're using in a proper time, in a present time, definitely your future will be bright automatically. If you're using in a good way time, if you're using utilize time in a proper manners, present times, because present times can decide your future. So we should focus on present times. Whatever is going on, we should think about that, and we should do that. But what the people are doing nowadays, people are really wasting their times by doing some unnecessary things which they should not have done, but they are doing it still. Like they are doing, they are doing playing PUBG, they are playing cricket, they are roaming here and there, and they are wasting their time. But we should not do that, because we all know that time is really important, and we should do that, because we should utilize our time by doing some creative things. Like you can start reading books, because when you read, then you will get a lot of things to learn from the books, and you can start helping to the needy peoples. You can start helping with your family members. You can do like this is a creative things, and we should focus on that. And we should utilize our time in a proper manners, if you're using, because we all know that time is really precious for all. Once again, 1 hour 1 minute is really important for all, because one today is gone is never come back. So we should remember these things. And loss of times leads to us your failure. So we should use our time. And especially I'm talking about time is really important for us students. Those students who utilize their time in a proper manners, in a wisely, then it's more chances to be succeed in their life. They will automatically become something in their life, there is no doubt. I'm sure that, because if those students who are really curious and they are thinking about the timing, and they are able to they make their time routines. At what time do we study, and do not we study, what time they are making proper manners to study, then it is more chances. And teacher also say about the timing. So we should know that exactly the value of time. And I know that you get to know right now, really, because if you're using your time proper manners, because time says that if you are using my times in a good way, then time will say that time will become you something. If you're using your time in a bad things, you're wasting your time, you're not utilizing your time in a good way, then time will definitely ruin in your future. So we should think about that. Utilize your time in a good way, because time was gone never come back. You will only realize after passing the time. You will only just realize. You cannot do anything that after once time has gone. So we should think that. And at last I would say that, because what, we have a shortage of time, and in shortage of time we have to do a lot of things in a limited times. So it is all up to you right now, because we have a limited time, and during the limited time we have to do a lot of things. So it is all up to you that what you have to do. If you are using your time, then it is good. If you are not using your time in a good way, then it is your loss. So it is all up to you that. By the way, I would like to end up my topic from now. So thank you so much for listening me. This is all about from my side. Have a great day. Bye.